Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be turning this boring old slime into this beautiful slime palette. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, because once I hit 2,000 subscribers I will be doing a face reveal on this channel. So once again we will be changing this slime into a really cool slime palette. This slime is basically a super thick slime and it is a very pretty light pink color. And I'm going to be using this storage container for beads that I got at the dollar store. It was super cheap and I'm going to be using this for our slime palette. For the different slimes in our slime palette, I'm going to be creating 4 different textures in total. Slime texture number 1 is going to be a butter slime, so I just got some of the thick slime and I added in some orange clay so that it wouldn't change the color too much, and it turned out super buttery. And again, this is slime texture number 1. Slime texture number 2 is going to be a cloud slime, so as you can see here I'm preparing my instant snow. I put in 2 spoonfuls of the instant snow and I added some water. Once my instant snow was all activated, I got a small chunk of the thick slime and I started mixing it into the instant snow until I got a perfect cloud slime texture. And I want a cloud slime just like this. It is super drizzly. As you can see, it turned out so drizzly and so amazing. For slime texture number 3, I'm going to be creating a cloud cream slime. A cloud cream slime is basically like a cloud slime, except it has less instant snow, so it is more creamier and it has more of an icy texture. So I basically did the same thing as a cloud slime, except I added half as much snow. For the final slime texture in this palette, which is a fizzy slime, I'm going to be using this fake snow. This is a different kind of fake snow from the cloud cream slime and the cloud slime. This is a plastic snow, so it is basically plastic and it does not need water. This type of plastic snow will make a really fizzly and sizzly slime, which I love. I started off by getting a small chunk of my slime and mixing it into the plastic snow until I got the perfect sizzly texture that I wanted. This has definitely got to be my favorite texture from the slime palette because it's just so sizzly and satisfying. I just love the slime so much. So as you guys can see, I have all my slime textures separated and organized because I have all of my slimes prepared that I'm going to be making today. In total, I'm going to be making 12 different slimes today, so let's get on to slime number 1, which is a donut inspired slime, and I'm going to be using some of the butter slime that we made. For this donut inspired slime, I got some of the butter slime and I'm dyeing it this tan donut color. Once I put the slime in its little compartment, I got some of these sprinkles that I love to use for slime and I topped it off, and I also topped it off with this cute donut charm. For slime number 2, I'm going to be making this galaxy inspired slime, and it is going to be a cloud slime. Since this is going to be a galaxy inspired slime, I split the cloud slime up into 3 little sections and I dyed one of the sections purple, one of them pink, and one of them blue, and I kind of swirled them together and put it in its own little slime compartment. Next, I'm going to be topping off the slime with these neon pink sprinkles, and that is it for this galaxy slime. Slime number 3 is going to be pink lemonade inspired, and it is going to be a cloud cream slime. I started off by getting some of the cloud cream slime that we made earlier and dyeing it a pink color. Then I got some of these yellow foam beads that I found at the dollar store. I cannot believe I found these at the dollar store, but I just got a couple of those foam beads and topped the slime off with it. Then I got this cute mini strawberry charm and I put it right on top of the slime. Slime number 4 is going to be cotton candy inspired, and it is going to be a butter slime. So I started off by getting some of the butter slime that we made and dyeing it a cotton candy blue color. Next up, I topped the slime off with some neon pink and blue clay that I swirled together along with some iridescent glitter. Slime number 5 is going to be a lollipop slime, and it is going to be a fizzy slime. So I started off by getting some fizzy slime and dyeing it an orange color. Then I got my slime sprinkles out again and I sprinkled some on top of the slime along with this cute lollipop charm. Slime number 6 is going to be blueberry inspired, and I'm going to be making this slime into a DIY clay slime. I'm going to start off by getting some of our original slime and dyeing it a purple color. Next up, I'm going to cover the top of our purple slime using some blue clay, and then I'm going to top off our DIY clay slime using 2 fake blueberry charms. Slime number 7 is going to be a brownie inspired butter slime. I started off by getting some of our butter slime and dyeing it a brown color. This slime is going to be inspired by the brownie charm that you guys just saw right now. So I'm going to recreate the icing drizzle on the brownie, as you guys can see, using some yellow clay. Finally, I'm going to top off our slime using our brownie charm. Slime number 8 is going to be inspired by those pastel marshmallows, and I'm going to be dividing this slime into 5 equal pieces and dyeing each piece into a pastel color. Finally, I'm going to top off the slime using some marshmallow beads. Slime number 10 is going to be a chip inspired slime, and I know I skipped a number, but I'm going to be skipping slime number 9 for now because I don't want 2 orange slimes in a row on this slime palette. This slime is inspired by this chip charm right here. I just got some of the original slime, we dyed it in orange color and topped it off with the chip charm. Now going back to slime 9, this is going to be a cherry slushy inspired slime, and it is going to be a fizzy slime. I just got some of the fizzy slime, dyed it a red color, topped it off with some sprinkles and 2 mini cherry charms. Slime number 11 is going to be a princess inspired cloud slime. I started off by getting some of our cloud slime and dyeing it a bright pink color. After that, I got some white iridescent glitter and sprinkled it on top of our cloud slime. And finally, I got this cute mini tiara charm and I topped it off on the slime along with these neon pink sprinkles. For our final slime in the slime palette, which is slime number 12, I'm going to be making a unicorn cereal inspired slime, and it is going to be a half floam. I started off by getting some of our original slime and just keeping it its same original color because I thought the color was perfect for the slime. And I topped off the slime using some rainbow foam beads. And that was it for the slime palette. Altogether there was 12 slimes, and I think the slime palette turned out so cute and so colorful. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the slime palette. If you have made it all the way to the end of the video, comment down below #SparkleIt so that I can know that you made it this far. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already so that we can do the face reveal at 2,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!